Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words to help you. A. Translucent. B. Transparent. C. Opaque. D. Medium. Number 1. An object that does not allow light to pass through. The light is either reflected or absorbed by the object. Number 2. An object that allows only some light to pass through. Example, wax paper. Number 3. A substance or material in which something goes through. Example, water is a medium that light travels through. Number 4. An object that allows virtually all light to pass through. Example, clear window. Word bank. E. Reflection. F. Refraction. G. Convex. H. Concave. Number 5. Lens where a surface curves inward, spreads out light rays. Number 6. The bending of a wave, such as light or sound wave. Number 7. The bouncing of light, heat, or sound off a surface. Number 8. Lens rounded like the exterior of a circle, focuses light to form image. Choose the best answer for the following questions. Number 9. Which of the following objects is opaque? A. B. C. Number 10. When light hits different types of objects, it acts differently depending on the object. Transparent, drinking glass, sealable bag. Translucent, wax paper, shower curtain. Opaque, aluminum foil, wood. Which object above best reflects light? A. Sealable bag, like a Ziploc bag. B. Drinking glass. C. Aluminum foil. Number 11. In an activity, a student floats a boat in an aquarium. Why does the bottom of the boat appear to be larger than the top of the boat? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Conduction. Number 12. Sometimes it is possible to see light rays. An example is when sunlight is breaking through clouds. Sunlight breaking through the clouds demonstrates how light rays travel in A. Straight lines. B. Curved rays. C. Zigzag rays. Write reflection or refraction next to the examples. 13. Mirror. 14. Tinted window. 15. Magnifying glass.